And welcome back, and I just found some gold. And let's just... I don't have an iron pickaxe yet. I don't have enough iron to make it. So let's just look around the gold. Oh. This gravel's annoying. Is that only 1 gold? You serious? Yep, it's 1 gold. Nice. Oh, and there's an iron. Oh yes, now I can make a pick. Don't mind that. I really need it because my health's low. Oh, GG. Oh, I'll just take these furnaces down. And this crafting table. And let's just wait for... I'll make the pick now. Just wait for this. I guess I'll just cut this part. Oh, GG. Why'd it go there? Oh, why'd they die? Everybody's getting blown up by creepers. Literally everybody. Redstone. It's not very useful. Oh, nice. Thank you, redstone. Oh, and more gold and stuff. This is perfect. And lots of gold. Nice. I can use that head right now. I just need a bucket of water, if I can get one. This is perfect. This is even at y equals 11. So I can just find diamonds easily. And there's probably not going to be a lot of mobs. I can get water from there. No diamonds around here? Nope. I need to clear this area more. Get more iron also. Oh, I don't have enough space. Just throw all the stuff I don't need out. I don't need this cobble. Oh, come! Just a second! Don't need more cobble. Don't need this pick. Don't need gunpowder. And I don't need this redstone. And this chicken. Yeah, that's good enough. Yeah, I should really make a golden head. There's probably diamonds out this way. So much gold in here. Should be putting in here. And I'll take off the other half in here. Okay. Just make a chest plate for myself. Oh, GG. 6 teams remain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. I need one more. Oh, another person was slain by Enderman. They're on the same team, so that explains it. Why are they trying to kill an Enderman? Well, that's the end of that team. Let's just make the... Oh, I got scared. I thought I didn't have my head. And it's a golden head. Just keep that for light. This and this. This. Actually, I should make a helmet first. Oh yes, and I need a bucket. But I don't have enough iron for that yet. Okay. I'll just find more iron. And then I'll continue. There's a zombie there. Oh, GG. Deal with the zombie. Oh, whoa, 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 I got him. Oh, more gold. It's nice, getting lots of gold. There's lava above there. You can see the particles. Lapis. Okay, I'll be here in a second. Just locked myself. Not much time has passed. Oh, and I need this iron. And I need the gold, wherever it was. Let's explore more. Do I have enough? Yes. That's good. Oh, did I get that gold? No, I need that gold. Wherever it was. And let's get more of this. I've never actually made a golden head before. This is my first golden head. Well, it's not actually from killing somebody. It's just from my partner dying. Oh, and that's the end of this episode. Oh, Skelly.